तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वतःच्या मर्जी राहिले बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट आयज वर्किंग डे काम धंदो सोडून तुम्ही आज सभेक आयले राहा येस आता सराक आमचे वर्ष तुमका
just a moment, listen to me. You have made that point. Make the next point.
ओके फाइन सो येणारे इलेक्शन आता येतले तुमका जर तुमची जर कामा करपाची आसा काँग्रेस पक्षा फाटल्यान रावा बीजेपी सरकार फक्त नोकऱ्यांच्यो अमिशे दाखयता भुरग्यांक तुमच्या फटयता इलेक्शनां मारून घेता इलेक्शन जातकूच परत तेच करता काँग्रेस पक्ष जो आसा तो तुमच्या बरोबर रावता चड सांगपाची गरज ना चड उलयना ह्यो फक्त एक संधी तुम्ही पक्षाक द्यात पक्षाचे लीडर तुमच्या बरोबर आसतले आणि तिकीटच्या बाबतीत आसात योग्य लीडर आसात योग्य निर्णय घेतले आम्ही त्या निर्णयाची वाट पळोवया आणि तुमका सगळ्यांक मनापासून काळजातले चढांत चढ देव बरे करू म्हणटा
बीजेपी में चला गया तब हमारा कांग्रेस को 2017 में 17,000 वोट पड़े थे और 2019 में सिर्फ 4,300 वोट पड़ गए और गिरीश चोडनकर सर इधर खासदार के लिए था तब इधर 8,400 वोट पड़ गए जब बाई इलेक्शन हो गया तब कोई भी लीडर कोई 5 बरस कोविड का टाइम था कोई भी लीडर इधर नहीं था सिर्फ एक सचिन परब जो उसने यूथ के लिए गैस सब पहुंचाया वही मेडिसिन रैनकोट सब उसने किया है और आज जब 5 वर्ष होने के बाद टिकट के लिए सब ये होते क्यों मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ क्योंकि जो इलेक्शन आने वाला है 4 महीना पहले कैंडिडेट दे दो हमको हम तुम्हें चैलेंज करता है कि माननीय मतदार संघ में कांग्रेस का झंडा फटकेगा जैसा 2017 में फटा था और जब माननीय ब्लॉक में अभी माननीय ब्लॉक जो अध्यक्ष किया हुआ है फिर वही क्यों 7 नाम दिया था माननीय ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट का वही क्यों वो कभी बीजेपी के अपोजिट बात नहीं करता अब माननीय में कितना इशू है एक भी इशू नहीं लेता है क्यों
You just talk about what your views are.
मैं सच बोलता हूँ सर जो कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता रियली कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता है मैं जब यूथ प्रेसिडेंट था कांग्रेस का गिरीश चोडनकर था तब मैं वाइस प्रेसिडेंट था माननीय ब्लॉक में गया नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेक्रेटरी और जब मैं मेरा नाम ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट को आया तब एक कैंडिडेट ने अपोज किया मेरे को क्यों नहीं सबको समझना होता है ना क्योंकि वही अध्यक्ष क्यों चाहिए
Listen, if you ask me questions, I cannot give you answers. How do I know? I have come to listen to you. You say next.
आता एक काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट फाल्या तिकीट दिलं आपला धडे सारखे होतले हे पहिली तुमका विचारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आज आम्ही खूप इलेक्शन पहिले पण हे सारखे राहतात तिकीट दुसऱ्यांनी दिली कारण आता आपण वाटेत होता लोकांनी किती करपाचे सांगा लगता जो बात हुई है वो जो कैंडिडेट है वो सिर्फ जो टिकट डिक्लेयर होने के बाद एक साथ नहीं रहता वो अलग अलग रास्ते में जाता है वो लोग क्या करेगा हाँ बोलो ये पहला क्वेश्चन है आपको हम सच बोलते हैं बहुत इलेक्शन हुआ 20 साल हुआ कांग्रेस में काम करता है पर जो टिकट दिया हो जाता है वो अलग रास्ते से जाता है तो लोग क्या करेगा एक मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है अभी कोविड हुआ है किसने काम किया है वो मतदार संघ में किसने भी काम नहीं किया है काम करता है वो जो काम करता है इसलिए इधर कांग्रेस में थोड़ा है नहीं तो कोई नहीं और एक मेरी बात सुनो जो टिकट देना है ना वो 80-75 साल के इसको टिकट नहीं देना वो यंग जनरेशन को टिकट लास्ट में बोलता हूँ थैंक यू.
Why are we active only when the elections come? Yeah, that's what. I just want to continue what Amit said. He said there are no structural party workers here. You asked him why there are no structural workers. The reason is we don't have a structure. Last 5 years, nobody bothered. I don't want to criticize any leaders. I don't want to criticize anybody. We don't have a structure that will work for the party. Elections will come, elections will go. I know we have to work for the 2022 election. We will work. Anybody gets the ticket, we will work for the party. But we need to, after the elections, whatever the result be, we need to start building an organization. You just have to just send a message. All the people will come here. We don't have to go and gather everybody to come here. Leaders should take care of this. This fault is of leaders. I directly blame them without taking the names. They should have brought the constitution and the structural this thing. I agree with Amit, what Amit said. Because today he was right. Most of them have been brought here. They have been brought here.
These are not Congress people.
They are Congress people, but they are not working, they are not active like.
I don't understand both of you.
Yeah.
Are they Congress people here or not?
They are Congress people.
Then they are entitled to come.
Yeah, they are entitled to come.
Why have your friends not come?
Not my friends. I am just saying we need a structure in place.
Don't use these words structure.
Okay, I won't use
Who are these
structure.
people? Who are these people?
We need
Kindly
Congress.
listen to me.
Yes.
Kindly listen to me. Who are these people? Why have they not come if they are Congress people?
I don't know. The leaders should answer
Okay,
this.
okay. If you don't know, then what can you say?
The leaders should answer this.
All right.
Because people are ready to come. People are ready to engage with the Congress party.
Why have they not come?
I'll just give you an example. Sir got around 8,500 votes. And I don't know, I was with him for the campaigning. I don't know if he campaigned a lot here. But still he got 8,500 votes. So there are loyal congressmen, loyal Congress voters here.
इसलिए वो 16,500 वोट्स लेके 7,000 वोट्स लेके वो जीत गया और डिफीट किसको किया? जो विद्यमान सीएम को डिफीट किया. अभी जो आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी तरफ से कि इलेक्शन 4 महीने 5 महीने में हो सकता है. जो कैंडिडेट आपको अच्छा लगा, जो कैंडिडेट मान रहे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लिए रियली काम करेगा और कर रहा है, उसी को टिकट देके अभी से अभी उसको काम करने को ऐसा उसको दे, ताकि he will get excess time.
So the problem of unemployment youth can be resolved. My first point. Second point is we have a agriculture land. We have a agriculture land for cultivation, but we don't have enough resources to cultivate that land. If our government comes, means Congress government comes in power, we should motivate the farmers to grow back to their land and provide proper resources. In order to encourage interstate tourism, there should be proper winding of roads, etc., etc. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
आगमन पहली बार हुआ था गोवा में, तो सब मीडिया वालों ने छपाई की थी कि दैट पी चिदम्बरम इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर फिगर, अ मोस्ट respectful politician, and he is most popular for to prepare a good type of strategies how to win the elections. So मैं आपको सर आपको बताना चाहता हूँ that we are having just 46 booth in our constituency and hardly 30 to 32,000 vote banks over here. It's not a big target over here, but what we visualize over here that we are not together, we are not united till today, because we are not having a grassroots karyakartas over here in a Congress party. That karyakartas we have to gather first, because at least what I personally feel is that in every booth at least we must have minimum 25 Congress karyakartas who will be having a blood in themselves to work for a Congress party. Then only we can strategize a good score in this upcoming election, because that time during the election 2017 all the political leaders came together to defeat our own single target. That time was the former Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. The anti-incumbency created during that time. So that's why he got defeated in 2017. This is the first most point, because after 1994 only one time Congress got this seat, and in the year 2017 we got again a Congress seat, and 2017 seat we got because it's an anti-incumbency that was generated against the former CM Lakshmikant Parsekar. उनका जो एटीट्यूड था यहाँ के लोगों को ट्रीट करने का, वो पूरा बहुत ही गलत तरीके का एटीट्यूड था, इसलिए लोगों को उसके खिलाफ चीड़ पैदा हुई थी और उसकी वजह से उनका डिफीट हो गया, because that time Congress party got approximately 7,000 votes. So I request you, sir, on behalf of Karyakarta, and it is my personal view, that nominate such a Karyakartas, nominate such a team to work on each and every booth. You can आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कार्यकर्ता है. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, यहाँ पे ये मेरा पर्सनल व्यू है, किसी को ऐतराज या किसी को नाराज होने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे जो लोग आए हुए हैं, दे आर नॉट अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता. हम यहाँ पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग जो यहाँ पे आए हैं वो आपका एड्रेस सुनने के लिए आए हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी का यहाँ पे अभी काम कैसे चल रहा है. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ सम पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स we have gathered this much of crowd, but it is not a Congress structured karyakarta. We must find a Congress structured karyakarta.
Why have they not come here? You said they have not come here. Why have they not come here?
Which one, sir?
You said this is all people who have been gathered to listen to you. The structured congressmen are not here. Where are they?
I don't know, sir, because we are not having, we are lacking behind an organization structure over here.
Please answer my question. Who are those congressmen? Why are they not here? They know there is a meeting here. Why have they not come here?
We have lack of coordination over here, sir.
What?
We have lack of coordination. We don't have a good type of meeting.
Please understand. They know that the Congress meeting is taking place here. So if you are a congressman or a Congress worker, why are you not here? You should have come.
That I don't know, sir.
Then, if he does not even want to come to the meeting, how do you call him a congressman or a Congress worker? He must come to the meeting, na? He knows there is a meeting, it is being advertised, and if he doesn't come to the meeting, what do we do? Therefore, you continue to get your views.
मेरी सर आपसे एक ही विनती है. I got only one point to put forward, that the assembled committee, which is block committee, which is existed over here in Madurai constituency, French New committee, let them please request them to go on each and every booth and gather a structured booth level karyakartas, so that the Congress party will get strong in Madurai constituency. Thank you.
मेंबर आणि आमचे कार्यकर्ते यांका आमचे ऐकपाक आमचे जे पयलींचे केंद्रीय मंत्री चिदंबरम जी आणि सगळे डेस्कार बसलेले आमचे पदाधिकारी अध्यक्ष सगळे, हांव तांकां मांद्रे मतदारसंघांतल्या काँग्रेसीच्या कशी हेचे फुडें आमी इलेक्शन स्ट्रॅटेजी करची. पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे आमी सगळे एका थंय जावंक जाय. सगळे जाणांनी एका थंय जावन तेका कळना जे आमचे लीडर आहात ते सगळे लीडर जर एका थंय जाले, जसे काल काँग्रेस पक्षाचो कॅन्डिडेट सगळ्या लिडरांनी एका थंय जावन जो निवडून दिलो आणि त्या इलेक्शनाक आमकां 16,000 मतां पडलेली मांद्रे मतदारसंघात. ताचे पण आमकां बाय इलेक्शन जालें, आमकां थोडो आमचो पराभव जालो, कारण गव्हर्मेंट आसलें. आज हे गव्हर्मेंट कशें चलता आणि कितें चलता हे आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आहा. पण आम्ही जे आता पळयले ते संख्येन आमचे लोक एक्टिव्ह मेंबर आमच्या महिला आमकां अशें दिसता आमच्या पक्षाक सांगते की जास्तीत जास्त आमकां 4 महिने मेळ्ळ्यात आमकां तुमचे कडल्यान भरपूर सहकार्य मेळचें प्रत्येक विलेजींनी वचपाक प्रत्येक विलेजींनी आमी वचून आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक मेळोन आमी आमच्या भितून डिस्कशन करून आमकां सगळे आनी त्याच बरोबर सगळे लिडर एकदा वचपाक जाय तिकेट कोणाकूय मेळो तिकेट कोणाकूय मेळ्ळी तरी काँग्रेस पक्ष हो एकाच माणसा बरोबर आसतलो तो म्हणजे आता बरोबर तो व्यक्ती बरोबर नासतलो तेजे खातीर आमी सगळे जाण लिडरा सकट काँग्रेस पक्षाचे जितके म्हणून कार्यकर्ते आहा तेंच्यांनी आमी एक अशें थारावप की बाबा आमी आमकां टायम घालून दिवप प्रत्येक सॅटर्डे संडे आज ही ह्या एरियेन आमी भोंवया दुसरे सॅटर्डे संडे ह्या एरियेन अशें करून आमकां कार्य करपाचें आहा आमी आमच्या पक्षा कडेन सहकार्य मागता जास्त करून आमचे अध्यक्ष बाब गिरीश तोडणकर.
All of us are here only to meet Congress workers. Yesterday we were in constituency number 40. Today we are in constituency number 1, Nanded. We traveled south almost 1 hour 15 minutes from Panjim. And today we have traveled north 1 hour 10 minutes to come to Nanded. Why are we going around? Not to listen to our own voice. It is to meet Congress workers, Congress members, men and women, young people, and to understand what you say. I am absolutely clear in my mind, all those who have come here are devoted, committed Congress workers. I have no doubt it. But if there are other Congress workers who have not come here, I am very sorry. They should have come here. Why should they not come to this meeting? This meeting has been advertised. This meeting has been announced through the newspapers. We have informed the DCC president, we have informed the block president. I think everybody in Nanded knows that election-related decisions will be taken by you. Nobody will be able to complain, I was not consulted. We are not going to impose any candidate upon you. I hope you understand me clearly. Let me repeat it slowly. No candidate will be imposed upon you. We will come back to you and ask for suggestions. How to run the campaign? Who will run the campaign? What should the poster be like? What should the pamphlet be like? Should we have door-to-door campaigning? Should we have street corner meetings? Should we do a Padayatra? All decisions will be taken by the active members of the bloc. And finally, we will come back to you very shortly and ask you for names. Who can be a candidate here? You must give us the names. You may give us one name, you may give us two names. Rare cases, you will give us 3 names. The Congress party will select a candidate from only your names. I hope I'm making myself clear. I'm sorry I can't speak in Konkani. I can't explain this in Konkani, but I hope I'm making myself clear. We will take the names from you, and from your names, a candidate will be selected. Whoever is selected, because the name has come from you, you must work unitedly and make that candidate win. I hope you will do that. If the name has come from you, and the Congress party selects one of your names, I hope all of you will work unitedly and make that candidate win. Will you do it or not? So we are taking names from you. We will come back to you again.
You are watching Jayesh Network.